Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, My Follicular Journey. My name is Lance Fuller, and from 2014 to 2022, I had 4 hair restoration procedures that lowered and straightened out my frontal hairline, revised the scar in the back of my head, and further softened up my frontal hairline and side temples. This year, 2024, marks a very important milestone in my hair transplant journey, and this year celebrates the 10-year anniversary of my very first surgery that I had when I was 28 years old. Over the past 10 years, this blog and YouTube channel have served as a community to help men and women talk about their hair loss, as well as what solutions they have available to them that can make them do something about their hair loss, whether that be to just take preventative treatments and not lose what you have. That could be wearing a hair system, or it could be having a hair transplant. And I don't recommend that everyone go right into having a hair transplant, because after all, this is a surgery and there can be complications. I'm really proud that the community that we've built with My Follicular Journey is something that has helped hundreds of men and women from all over the world, from all age groups, nationalities, walks of life. And I felt that this year being the 10-year anniversary, this was the time for me to really put everything together that I've learned over these past 10 years and 4 surgeries. For example, when am I going to start growing the new hair? When will I see my final result? Should I do FUT strip or FUE for my first procedure? What sort of doctor should I look at? Over this next year, I'm going to share with you guys everything that I've learned in hopes that it can continue to help you traverse your own follicular journey wherever it may take you. If you've been following my channel for a while now, thank you very much for your continued support in liking and subscribing and commenting. And if this is the first time you've ever seen my channel, I welcome you into this community to learn more about what I went through in having 4 hair restoration procedures that were all a success. Every single one of my surgeries was a success, and if you follow the information and advice that I'll give you, you can also make sure that your procedure will be a success. So please like, subscribe, follow for more, and I have so much to talk to you guys about this year. This is going to be so much fun. Happy New Year, and let's get it.